Welcome to An American Accent. This is the first video in which I group the irregular verb forms, especially the simple past and the past participle, second and third form, by their vowels rather than the spelling. And I'm using the colors from the Color Vowel Chart to describe the vowels. Like this first one is the aw sound, as you find in olive, or sock in American English, dog, coffee, and words with AL and AR like talk, tall, and car. The Color Vowel Chart was created by Taylor and Thompson, and I link with that in the description, also to other Color Vowel Chart videos that explain better. So this is the first part of a group that has simple past and past participle with the olive vowels. See how I'm lowering my jaw and my tongue also, aw, to get that sound. If you don't lower it, it will be more like ah. So you want to go aw, like father. This first group has the O-U-G-H-T, or in some cases A-U-G-H-T, and that's when the base form has an A in it, which I underlined here. Teach has an A in it, so taught is with an A, A-U-G-H. Same thing with catch. So the first one, we have bring, and then brought, brought. You can see how it's a little bit longer. Buy, bought, bought. Fight, fought, fought. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Catch, caught, caught. Here I want to contrast that with the verb cut, which has the mustard vowel in it, and it goes cut, cut, cut. You see how it's short? My mouth is very relaxed. The tongue is right in the middle, not up, not or back, but right in the middle. So listen to catch, caught, caught, and cut, cut, cut. And here's a different group where you have the O between consonants. So you got get, got, got. In American English, we usually use gotten. Get, got, gotten. And then forget is based on the verb get. So forget, forgot, forgotten. Shoot, shot, shot. I want to contrast that with the verb for close. Shut, shut, shut. So that one is also mustard, like cut, cut, cut. So relaxed, very quick. Shut, shut, shut. And compare that to shoot, shot, shot. And then we also have lose, lost, lost. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.